Summer is flying by, which means sweet corn is here. By now, you've probably seen signs for it on street corners, farmers markets, or your local grocery store. Sweet corn is different than field corn, which is what you mostly see in fields as you drive down the road. Actually, only about 2% of the corn grown in Illinois is sweet corn. Field corn is primarily used for ethanol, animal feed, or ingredients in food, while sweet corn is a safe and tasty vegetable we can eat like any other produce. In northern Illinois, we plant sweet corn a little after we plant field corn. It likes the soil temperature to be a little warmer, so it's typically planted in late April or May. It's ready about 3 months later, whereas field corn isn't harvested until closer to 6 months after planting. One easy way to tell the difference between field and sweet corn is sweet corn will be much shorter. The other dead giveaway is comparing the kernels. Sweet corn will have softer kernels that are rounded, whereas the kernels on field corn will be hard with a dented cap. One similarity, though, is each plant typically only produces 1 ear of corn. On our farm, we grow field corn, but always plant a couple rows of sweet corn close to the house for our own use. This makes it easy to walk out and go pick a couple by hand. While some sweet corn is planted right next to the field corn that is sprayed for weeds and pests, it is still safe for you, your family, and others to eat. Then we gather on the porch to take the leaves and sulks off in a process called shucking. Depending on how you plan to use the corn, you can shuck it or choose not to. Our favorite way to eat sweet corn is having corn on the cob, but fair warning, you will need lots of toothpicks. We also like to cut it up and save it for later since it freezes so well. I hope you enjoy the many ways to eat sweet corn this summer.